Hey everyone, welcome back to One More Guru. Today, I'm going to show you how to delete your IC Markets account. This includes demo accounts, real accounts, and even closing your IC Markets account completely. First, sign in to your IC Markets account. Once you're in, go to the Accounts section. If you want to delete a demo or real account, look for the three dots next to the specific account. The platform doesn't allow full deletion here, but you can hide the account. Once hidden, it won't appear unless you click on View Hidden Accounts. To delete a real IC Markets account entirely, click on the support chat bubble. It will guide you through some automated responses. When prompted, type, "How do I delete my account?" Next, it will ask for your email address associated with your IC Markets account. Enter it, follow the prompts, and this will allow you to close your account completely. And that's it. I hope this makes it easy for you to manage or close your IC Markets accounts. Thanks for watching One More Guru. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.